The Camerlengo is a major official of the Roman Curia who does not lose his office while the papacy is vacant. The Camerlengo, whose role is regulated by the 1996 document Universi Dominici Gregis and the 2022 Apostolic Constitution, Predicate Evangelium, administers church finances and property during the interregnum. Paragraph 17 of Universe Dominici Gregis reads, "The Camerlengo of Holy Roman Church must officially ascertain the Pope's death."
Carissimi fratelli e sorelle, con profondo dolore,
He places seals on the Pope's study and bedroom and the entire papal apartment.
il Vescovo di Roma Francesco è tornato alla casa del Padre.
The Camerlengo later notifies the Cardinal Vicar for Rome of the Pope's death. The Cardinal Vicar then notifies the people of Rome by special announcement. The Camerlengo takes possession of the Apostolic Palace in the Vatican and the palaces of the Lateran and of Castel Gandolfo and manages their administration. As Pope Francis resided in the Casa Santa Marta in Vatican City instead of the Apostolic Palace, the Camerlengo also takes possession and seal of those quarters as well for the duration of the sede vacante.
In modo particolare a favore dei più poveri ed emarginati.
Only the Pope may choose the cardinal to fill the position of Camerlengo, though he may also leave it vacant, in which case the College of Cardinals would hold an election to fill the office at start of a sede vacante.
Benito amore misericordioso de Dio uno e trino.
The responsibilities of the Camerlengo or Chamberlain include ascertaining the Pope's death, performing some of the rites connected to a papal funeral, overseeing the preparations for a conclave, and managing the administration of the Holy See until the election of the next Pope. Farrell's nomination as Camerlengo was one of the several marks of the deep trust Pope Francis placed in the Dublin-born cleric. In 2016, the Pope named Farrell prefect of the dicastery for the laity, the B family, and life, which replaced the Pontifical Council for the laity and the Pontifical Council for the family. He gave him the Cardinal's Red Hat months later. Farrell also had other roles assigned by Pope Francis. As prefect, Farrell oversaw the planning of the World Meeting of Families in Dublin in 2018 and in Rome in 2022. He also oversaw World Youth Day in Panama in 2019 and in Portugal in 2023. In 2020, Pope Francis put the Cardinal in charge of a committee monitoring internal Vatican financial decisions that fell outside other accountability norms, making him uniquely informed about Vatican finances among the hierarchy. In 2022, the Pope also appointed Farrell chairman of a new commission to oversee investments. In his most recent sign of trust in Farrell, Pope Francis also put the Cardinal in charge of the reform of the Vatican's gravely unbalanced pension fund, naming him sole administrator at a critical juncture. At the death of the Pope, Farrell seized all roles except for Camerlengo. Who is Cardinal Kevin J. Farrell? Kevin Joseph Farrell was born in Ireland on September 2nd, 1947. He entered the Congregation of the Legionaries of Christ in 1966 and was ordained to the priesthood on December 24th, 1978. Farrell studied at the University of Salamanca in Spain and the Pontifical Gregorian University and Pontifical University of St. Thomas in Rome. He served as the chaplain of the Legion of Christ's Apostolic Movement Regnum Christi at the University of Monterrey in Mexico. He later denied having prior knowledge of sexual abuse on the part of the Legion of Christ's founder, Marcial Maciel. After leaving the legionaries, Farrell was incardinated in the Archdiocese of Washington in 1984, serving in roles including director of the Spanish Catholic Center before becoming the Archdiocese finance officer in 1989. In 2002, he was named an auxiliary bishop of Washington, serving as moderator of the Curia and Vicar General, a chief advisory role to the then Cardinal Theodore McCarrick.